Hello, thank you for joining us for the second part of our tutorial on Microsoft Excel. So in this tutorial, attention will be focusing on the back end of the Microsoft Excel. So let's follow step by step and see what we can learn. Alright, now let's have a closer look to some of the menu. If you click on File, File is where you can create a new worksheet. You can actually open existing already saved files. You can do some other settings that we will learn one after the other. You can print, you can save, you can use save as, you can actually export, you can publish and close, and even much more. You can as well have what we call options. However, when you come to home, the home ribbons are displayed here. That is too with menu, insert, page layout, familiar data, review, view, and many more. Alright, now let's go into now let's have a look at the backstage in Excel. We may wonder what backstage is about. Just come to the file, down to where you see more, you will see options. Backstage in any of the Microsoft Office can be found going through those processes, clicking on file, clicking on options, and here comes the backstage. Alright, you can see under general, you can do much. Default fonts, you can change this default font from 11 to even things like 14. If that is what you'll be working much more, you can make a choice of that. Any of these can be changed. Okay, now take note of this. How many sheets should appear as we are opening Excel? In this here is 1. You can make it 3. You can make it more. You can see the username. If the username was not to whatever you want, this way you do the changes, and many more. So you can make much more adjustment right here. Okay, you can go down to the formula and make necessary adjustment, adjust like we have learned. You can determine, okay, the autosave recovery, should it be 10 minutes? Should it be 5 minutes? Should it be 20? This is where you make the adjustment. I will set this one to 5. That means every 5 minutes, if I am not saving my file, it will automatically save it for me. Because we name this particular sheet with sample. So if it is to recover, it will recover that sample because that is the one we did. But that will be applicable in any one we work with. Remember, by default, in most cases, our files are often saved to document. Okay, my document or document, depending on the type of system you are using. You can change this my document and decide either to save directly to your desktop, to save it to download, to save it to see directly, to save it to a particular folder you created, or you leave it on download or document. So this is where you can decide that. So this is, as earlier mentioned, the back side, as it were, the backstage of the Excel. So this you make so many changes, changing the default language to whatever pleases you. You are making it here. And when you are done with many more, as we will learn them one after the other, as time progresses, you come to the bottom and click on OK button. When you click on OK button, that to which you have selected become the default. Okay, so if you like what you have seen, please subscribe, like, and share this video and help others too to learn what you have enjoyed. Or you can visit us at our website at mydancomputertrainingchannel.com so that you can benefit much more from our numerous tutorials. Thanks so much. Hope to see you in the next tutorial.